Have you ever talked about something and all of a sudden you start seeing it all over your Facebook? Like maybe you're in the mood for wings and then you start seeing Wingstop and Buffalo Wild Wings and all these ads. Or maybe you talk about betting or maybe buying some stuff on Amazon and all of a sudden all these ads start popping up. It's almost like AI can read our brains. It's pretty trippy. But fortunately, if you're a business owner and want to use this exact same system to bring in customers in your area talking about what it is that they need, you can leverage these exact same systems. Companies like Meta, Google, all these guys have given us the framework to take advantage of how AI and algorithms are learning and like adopting our behavior. And we're gonna do that today, and I'm gonna show you guys how to set it up with Conversion API. Now, this is assuming you're already running ads and you already have like everything going. If you need help with that process, check out this video and that'll show you how to kind of set up the basics. So without further ado, let's jump into the screen. All right, guys, so we just launched this ad account right here about 2 days ago. They started on Tuesday, and so far they have gotten 2 leads and one of them has turned into an appointment. Now, we want to tell the Facebook pixel which one turned into appointment. That way it finds more people that share that similar behavior, and this company gets more appointments in regards to exterior services. So we're going to do that in 2 ways. The first way is going to be the native Facebook Conversion API that it has set up. This is through Google Sheets. So if we open up our ad account here, I'll just show you one of these right here. You can see that. So open this up right here to show you guys. And you can see that Google Sheets right here, Facebook actually has a place where you can set up the Conversion API right there. And then as you can see here, I tested it right here for qualified. And here we can see it qualified, right? So this is the first way we're going to train the pixel on who we like. We're gonna tell it qualified here in about 15 minutes or so, it should pop up. Now, this is one source of data, right? The second source of data, because we want to give it as many angles as possible, we're going to do this with a back-end conversion API. An API, application programming interface. It's basically how 2 different softwares communicate with each other back and forth. We're just setting up a gateway to send data between the 2 softwares. So my CRM in particular is Go High Level, and they have a very nice API already built out. So fortunately, we can literally just jump in here. If we were to do this from scratch, right, we're just gonna pick a trigger. And for me in particular, I like to just make the trigger whenever someone goes into the new lead stage, and then that's gonna fire off the Facebook Conversion API, and we're gonna call it a lead, right? So there's 3 different events that we wanna track. It's gonna be lead, just tells Facebook like, hey, this is a new lead. Schedule, this is the type of person that turns into appointments. And then purchase, these are the type of people that turn into buying customers. And in the future, we're gonna optimize our campaign for one of these events, giving us way better and more efficient, basically return on ad spend. Here's how we set it up. The first thing we're gonna do, we make sure our trigger is good, right? Trigger, pipeline, new lead, great. Then we're gonna go to our pixel here. We're going to copy the dataset ID, right? So we're gonna put that, we're gonna copy that. And then on the Facebook Conversion API, we're gonna go in here and we're gonna paste that into this pixel ID. The next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna go down here and we're gonna set up an API token, right? Either one of these is fine. It's not too important which one you set up. We're gonna go ahead and do this one right here, and then make sure that you turn on historical conversion uploads. This basically just means that anybody after 7 days will qualify. Sometimes, you know, we just have like people that come in way later, so we want to make sure that we're at least tracking it within a 90-day period. So we're going to throw the access token in right there. We're going to save the action, publish, boom. And then we're going to go to our appointment API. So we're going to do the exact same thing right here. We're just going to change this to the pipeline we want, right? The trigger is pipeline stage. And whenever somebody's changed into appointment set, we're going to go ahead and put that there, appointment set, boom, save that trigger. That's gonna fire this conversion API. We'll just throw our pixel in there again, go back, get the dataset ID, and then boom. So now this Facebook event name is schedule, right? And we're gonna save that, publish it, boom. And lastly, we want to be tracking who purchases, right? So the last one here is going to be who purchases, paid customer, boom. Go ahead and save that there. Paste our pixel ID, and then we'll go in, get that conversion API key. Go ahead and throw in that access token, right? And the purchase. Now specifically, I have a custom value here where it's like whatever we call it. We want to let Facebook know how much they bought if possible. It's not exactly a requirement, but it does help out for sure. And so we're going to go ahead and save that, publish it. So this is all nice and published now. Cool. So now we're going to go to the pipeline. And right here, this is the person right here that ended up converting. So we're just going to move her into appointment set, right? And now here about 15 minutes, we'll give the Facebook pixel a little bit of time to populate. We should see basically this event come in. All right, so while that populates, I'll just kind of show you guys, this is kind of what the idea is here. We're tracking page views, right? We're tracking everybody that goes to their website. We're tracking the people that actually come into as a lead. And then we're also tracking people that book appointments here, right? This is what it ideally looks like when everything is working. We have nice, healthy event match qualities and all that stuff. I mean, we can jump back in here to see if they're back, but again, it takes 15 minutes, so for the sake of this video, I'll probably just show you guys that one. It takes, you know, anywhere from 15 minutes to an hour to like populate. So yeah, it still hasn't populated. But that's basically the basics, guys. That's how easy it is to set up a conversion API, right, and track all your data, make sure that you are targeting the right people. Now, of course, that's only part of the puzzle when it comes to like the algorithm, how AI learns your behavior and all that good stuff. But if you just do that one thing in your ad accounts, you're going to be able to give your pixel so much more data, and like you're going to be able to get way better results and scale your campaigns a lot more efficiently. Now, there are very specific things you need to do in your ad copy, your creatives, like the actual words that you're putting in your descriptions, titles, headlines, and as well like the actual image itself, so that Facebook knows who this is exactly for, right? And there's, you know, a whole bag of tricks and all that good stuff. I'll probably get into them in a future video. But if you like this video and you found it educational, go ahead and throw a thumbs up. If you're a roofing company or an HVAC company and you were looking for running ads on, if you're looking for a specialist to help you run your ads, go ahead and comment help. Click the link in the description and book a call with me. We'll kind of see and if we can help you out, see what you have going on, what you've done in the past, all that good stuff. Try not to do a hard pitch, you know, I just kind of let you know like, hey, here's what I do. If I can help, great.